Hello 18, may nakita naman tayong komento, reaction, brilliant reaction at komento from Taiwanese 18. Sabi dito nga ay gusto pa niya manood ng more concert sa SB19 at nagpasalamat siya sa mga Pilipino 18 na pagiging hospitality. Sabi niya, SB19 concert really won't close Korean groups. Every member is so close and performance. Also hard work on my 2 feet. I don't feel anymore. My throat is broken too. Thank you too for helping us prepare throat candy. Very sweet and more. They're eating. You are working hard. See you next time. The sisters in the Philippines are so passionate. Thank you my sister for bringing me here. Ang Taiwanese 18 na to ay talagang nag-enjoy at kinikilig at tumitili every time mag-perform ang SB19 at sinabi niya na ang 18 girls sa Pilipinas ay so passionate.